Realistically, you are more prone to be seriously injured in a traffic accident than being murdered at the hands of a killer. In Kershaw County or Camden, South Carolina, an experienced trucking accident lawyer can protect you after an injury has been done to you in a truck accident. If for whatever reason you don't feel your injuries are bad enough to attend a medical facility, it's very important that you find a treating physician on your own as soon as possible following the incident. The longer you wait to get treatment, the worse you'll be. Also, waiting to get medical treatment can damage your claim, as the opposing lawyers will assert that you are not really injured. Car crashes could often be tricky, and also the legislation has many requirements that really must be followed for you to be able to receive restitution for your problems. Our dedicated trucking accident lawyers possess years and years of experience in managing these kinds of cases. Don't wait another day. A skilled Camden truck accident lawyer can protect your rights and build a case that will provide you with the best chance for compensation after a truck accident in Camden, South Carolina. At the Connell Law Firm, our experienced trucking accident lawyers will be with you each phase of the way. We're here to listen, to educate, to be there for you in any way possible. Call today to schedule your free consultation and let us make things right for you.